Title: Graze. Nourishment from nature eating. Today, we're discussing the word graze. To graze is a verb that means to feed on growing grass or plants, often used by animals. It signifies the simple act of finding nourishment from nature's bounty. Pronunciation. Pronouncing graze is simple, graze, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, cows graze in the meadow, peacefully enjoying the fresh grass. Importance. Grazing is a natural behavior for many herbivorous animals and an essential source of sustenance in the wild. Conclusion. In summary, graze is a word that represents the harmonious relationship between animals and the environment where they find their nourishment. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word, exploration. Until then, appreciate the simplicity and balance of grazing in nature's cycle.